Hello friends, welcome to Quba Keys. We're excited to share that Silca has launched a new key cutting machine, Flash Eco, and it's now in stock at Quba Keys. Let's unbox it and check out the machine's performance. The machine comes safely packed in a sturdy cardboard box. When we open the box, the machine is wrapped in a thick blue protective plastic cover. Inside, all corners are secured with hard foam for maximum safety, making it easy to ship across India and globally. First, we find the operating manual and a warranty card. Now let's take the machine out of the box. At first glance, it looks very similar to the Flash 008. We also get a gray handle, a power cable, some small tools, a rod for changing the cutter, plus the user manual we mentioned earlier. Before cutting keys, let's attach the handle. On the back side, you'll find the power port connect the power cable there. On the left side, there's a red switch button to turn the machine on and off, which directly powers the motor. It uses the same HSS cutter as the Flash 008 and also includes a nylon brush to clean the key after cutting. At the bottom, you'll see the Silca and Flash Eco stickers. You'll also find a technical information label. There's a key stopper to hold the key in place by the shoulder. The top part is plastic, while the rest of the machine is fully metallic. From the back, the design is simple. The machine includes a key tracer, which helps when you have old or worn-out keys. It also features a four-sided rotational clamp, allowing you to cut different types of keys. There is approximately 16 centimeters of space between the tracer and cutter, which is great for cutting long keys. Let's cut a key now. We're using an active Grazia key. Place both the original and the blank key in the clamp. The key cuts very smoothly. Now flip the key to cut the second side. Once both sides are cut, we'll rub the key on the brush to clean it. Let's check the original key. Now let's check the newly cut key. As you can see, it works perfectly. The machine's weight is 6 kilo 800 grams, and with the box, the total weight is 9 kilo 5 grams. The cutter speed is 2900 RPM, which is great for beginners, shop use, and outdoor jobs. But we suggest that Minda should add or sell a separate carrying handle to make it easier to transport. If you want to order this machine, contact Quba Keys. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. All our contact details are available in the description. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.